guys, today I'm going to cook some Spam and eggs. So let's get toasting. I'm going to use my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this and cook this in my toaster oven. So I have it lightly oiled. I have some hash brown patties. Looks like they're from Trader Joe's here. My girlfriend bought these. I met her on Instagram about 4 months ago. If you guys don't know, my wife died like 7 years ago, so it's just been Annie and I for the last 7 years. But I posted a picture of me shopping at Grocery Outlet on Instagram a while back. I guess it was 4.5 months ago, and I got a comment from a woman. She asked me where it was, and I told her, and it turned out she only lived like half hour from me. So I asked her to lunch, and we kind of been hanging out since then. So it's nice to have a sidekick. So have some Spam here. So I cut off a couple of slices of Spam, and we'll get that into the oven. And I have some eggs there. Those eggs were like almost $10 for a dozen eggs, but we'll add the eggs last. We'll let that cook first and then add the eggs. I have the oven rack in the center in the middle position. I'm going to use the air fry setting. This oven has an air fry setting, so that's 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven doesn't have that, just use the bake setting. It's been about 14 minutes. That's how long it said to cook the hash browns. I'm going to pull that out and add the eggs. I think I'll flip these over. Alright. Okay, there we go. Then I'll add the eggs here. Okay. Alrighty. Now, if I can find my glove here, I will get these back into the oven. Alright, I turned the oven down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit because what I've found is if you cook the eggs too hot, they get kind of a plasticky texture to them. It's kind of weird, so I'm going to cook them at a lower temperature. Alright, the eggs have been in there for 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see how they look here. I think those are good. That looks real nice. The eggs just need a little bit of salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, it says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. The eggs look good. I looked that up, why eggs get kind of a plasticky texture like when you cook them at a higher heat. It said the higher heat causes like a chemical reaction or something. So these don't look plasticky. It's weird though. They get almost like a plastic film over them. It's strange. But these look really good. So got the Spam there. Got the hash brown. So let's get a little bit of that. Get a little bit of Spam. Get a little bit of the egg there. And we'll try that out. That's real good. Try to keep you guys out of the drive-thrus. Save you a few bucks. Annie seemed a little excited over here. You like Spam, Annie? You want to try a piece? There you go. Yeah, I guess Annie's a Spam fan. So there's an easy breakfast idea for you guys. I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.